Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So, once again, it's gone live. Once again with more new details. It seems that Samsung is losing control of its devices. New leaks are circulating about its devices. According to the available data, the new Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra live shots surfaced again, alongside the first look at One UI 7.0 user shell. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. New leaks about the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra keep piling up, and we now have more information about it than we could have ever hoped for. We saw a video leak recently on Reddit that's making the headlines, and now the hype train has finally led us to a UI reveal and real-life shots of the phone, so the leaks are picking up the pace. One image has the Galaxy S25 Ultra's bottom AIO facing the camera. It's a typical S Pen slot that follows a Type-C hub, a speaker grill, and a SIM slot. Those light bands on the frame must be the antennae. There's an image in which the screen is lit up saying Gaming MK, a reference to the leaker himself. The good thing is that the live shot will give you an idea of the bezels around the panel, which look the same as the S24 Ultras. This leak is a confirmation of the rounded corner design. Android Authority shared some alleged screenshots of the Galaxy S25 Ultra's One UI 7 system. One image reveals the camera UI, the other shows only the control center, and the third image has the app drawer. The one with the camera UI is most important, because it guarantees that a new improved 200MP shooter is coming with Samsung's upcoming flagship. Another confirmation about the Galaxy S25 Ultra comes from Geekbench. They tested SM-S938B with a Snapdragon 8 Elite Plus, with 8GB of RAM, and it won 2,627 and 9,404 points for the solo and multi-threaded benchmarks. What are the Galaxy S25 Ultra's leaked specifications? Previous reports indicated that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will have a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X screen. The device will likely run Android 15-based One UI 7 out of the box, and get 7 additional major Android updates. Reports claim that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will use the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip globally. It will have 12GB, 16GB RAM, and 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB of storage. Other features could include an IP68 rating, stereo speakers, and a 5000 mAh battery. It could have 45 watts fast charging, and 15 watts wireless fast charging. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.